everyone, welcome back to Lights, Camera, Pants Silver Challenge. We got the screen centered. Alrighty, let's do this. Tonight we are doing 3 worlds. And then for the finale, we'll do 2 worlds tomorrow. Okay, that should be good. Alrighty, let's load game and get back to our save. Continue story mode. And yeah, we did get all the roles so far. Oh yeah, we're definitely winning. Krabs and Squidward are going head to head though.
Well, yeah, good to see real talent. You still updating your old pal Squidward?
I live his dream whenever I can. It's the glory of genuine talent.
It sure is. So, do you think we can find a star there at Sand Stadium?
It'll be hard. What are you looking for?
I want someone with rhythm and melody who can sing and dance. You know, a real performer. I want a star, William. No less.
Well, I have a 3-part audition that should sort the somebodies from the nobodies.
Excellent. Well, what are you waiting for? Bring on the clowns. Make this good, William. I'll be waiting.
Alrighty. Oh boy. Rock Bottom was difficult before and we made that epic comeback. But now this is harder? Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be a pain. Well, here we go. I'm gonna be honest, we might lose this because, yeah, where am I? I'm up there. Bro. Dog, my finger slipped.
That's the sound of defeat.
Oh yeah, you're telling me, Plankton.
We sound
Bro.
wretched. And now me solo.
Bro, I can't do it.
Nevertheless.
Okay. We're coming back. Oh my god. Dude, you can't press the buttons at the same time. That sucks. Oh my. Dude. Okay, we're not doing awful. We could be doing worse. We're doing it now.
That's the sound of defeat.
Squidward. Crushed it. We're only a little bit behind Mr. Krabs.
I'm paying you professional
Shoot.
wages.
Oh yeah, we are winning now, definitely.
Earplugs, please.
Dang.
Now I attack the music.
Did you see that? Holy shit! We crushed it. I'm a banger at the solos. I crush them, dude. That was amazing. I lock in every time the solos come, I swear. We killed it. We freaking killed it, bro.
I dominate this game.
We clutched up at the end.
I dominate this game.
That was so good. Damn. We had a rocky start, but around the middle and end, we crushed it. That was nice. Okay. Oh man, though, gold is gonna be terrible, man. I already know it. Gold's gonna be freaking terrible. That's the one where we might lose, because not only I'm gonna make the mini games the hardest difficulty for gold, I'm also gonna put the CPUs on medium. Oh boy, we are gonna get completely destroyed. I already can tell. We're not gonna last. This one wasn't so bad. Okay, easy. When it gets into the quadruple and quintuplet digits, that's when it starts to get difficult. Okay. Awesome. Okay, that's easy. So far, this ain't bad. Oh yeah, we got this, guys.
Even faster.
Okay, still pretty good. Five in a row, baby. Okay. I had it too. I did it too slow. That was bad. That was such a dumb mistake.
What do you say?
Oh well. Okay, that's easy.
My plan's working.
Oh, we are for sure winning though.
The faster we go, the faster I win.
That's the spirit, Plankton. Oh shoot! It's going fast now. We're going hecka fast. Boom, bam, boom. Easy. Just give me all arrows, please. Oh shoot! Five in a row, baby. Woo. I forgot for a second. My gosh.
I can handle this.
Oh, God. Okay, now this is easy. that. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, Jesus. Damn it. Okay, that one was easy.
I went to college.
Last dance, come on, we can get it. I know.
I'm blameless.
That was difficult. We did it though.
I dominate this game.
Oh yeah, we dominate this flipping game. Let's go, brother. Ooh, we're a little low though. That's not good. Oof. Oh boy. This is not what I like to see. Oh no. We're gonna have to kill this next game if we're gonna want to get enough points. Because if not, I think we're screwed. And I don't want to be screwed. Man, that's not good at all. Not even slightly good. Beats me. Thankfully this one ain't terrible. But on medium, I don't know how crazy whack they're gonna do it. Okay. Left drum, right. Okay. Okay.
Copy this.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Alrighty, we did perfect so far.
Yay!
Oh, nice. Oh, I thought I got perfect. Okay, this ain't bad. It's gonna get worse though, I guarantee it.
Eat my sand, losers.
Try to keep up.
Oh boy. When it gets faster, it's gonna get crazier.
1, 2, 3.
Tremendous.
We got perfect.
I love it.
Stupendous.
Oh, we're getting perfect though.
Woo!
I do the buttons to just test to remember.
Yes, yes.
Hooray!
Oh, we are killing it right now.
Howdy, girl.
Okay, okay.
Yay! Woo!
Yay!
Stupendous.
Nice. We're getting perfect almost every time. Yes.
Yes. I'm winning because I'm aggressive.
That might be pretty good playing.
1, 2, 3.
We are killing it right now.
Dang, nabbit.
Yeah.
How did I get a 5?
Howdy, girl.
Stupendous!
I was pretty much on it. What do you mean?
Yay! Got it, girl!
Stupendous!
Hooray!
Yes, yes! Tremendous!
Oh, we got it now.
Woo!
Stupendous!
Yeah.
Got it, girl!
Yes, yes! I love me. Tremendous!
Woo!
Yes, yes!
That's actually not bad.
Got it, girl!
Yes, we hit 500 at the end.
Yes, all according to plan.
Okay, guys, I will admit we did way better than I thought we did. We got so much perfects. We had to have made it if we got to 500. Come on, give it to me. You gotta be kidding me. We still didn't make it? How? How did we not make it? We did that pretty much perfectly. You gotta be serious. Ah, that's so not fair, man. I did that pretty much almost as perfect as I could have done it, and I still didn't make it? That's a bunch of malarkey. Oh my gosh. That's not fair. That's illegal. Oh well. Okay, guys, I guess I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I got some bad news. I've been playing this for about 3 hours, and I can't get past this. So unfortunately, I think this is where we have to stop. Because no matter what I did, I couldn't get past. So, unfortunately, this is where we have to end it. Which sucks, because we couldn't even get to World 4. Or no, we couldn't even get to World 5 without losing. So unfortunately, the challenge has failed. No matter what I did, I couldn't get enough points to get past. So we'll never be able to see gold tier, unfortunately. I know it's kind of a bit disappointing, but I mean, what else can I do, you know? I can't really do anything else. All I can do now is just accept it, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this series, but I will start tonight this new series. Well, it's not a series, but this new video. So in this new video idea, we're going to be doing 2 easy CPUs versus a hard CPU. So how this will work is we'll have our easy CPUs, Spongebob and Patrick, and then we'll have the very hard Squidward. The mini games will be on the hardest difficulty. And we'll sit back and we'll tally up the points to see who wins. And any points in the single player mini games will be doubled. So we will see who will win and who will lose. It should be quite interesting. Who do you guys think will win? The 2 easy CPUs, SpongeBob and Patrick, or the very hard boss, Squidward? We'll find out now. I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and I'm sorry that we couldn't get past this world. I know it's probably pretty disappointing, but unfortunately, I can't do nothing about it, you know? So I'll do this new video right now. Well, after this one uploaded, I'll do that one as a sorry, you know, for not being able to complete World 4. Which really sucks, because I thought we were going to be doing alright. You know, we crushed World 1, 2, and 3, and now we get to World 4 and we just completely failed it. So, thank you for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't get past this world, but no matter how good I did in the mini games, I just couldn't get enough points. I hope you all understand and aren't too mad or disappointed that we won't be able to continue this. And I hope this next video that I'll make after this one uploads is more of an apology video for not being able to complete it. I love you all. Comment, like, and subscribe. May God bless you, your family, and your pets. And sorry again for failing this mission. At least we completed bronze, though. I kind of knew that at some point we were going to get screwed over here. I just thought we would at least gone to gold, but we weren't even close. So at least we could beat bronze pretty easily. So I hope you guys loved this. See you guys next time. Catch you all again for our next adventure. And probably our final adventure in Lights, Camera, Pants. For now, that is. Take care.